Hey everybody, I was requested to put some rhythmic help. So I'm going to help you guys with meter, M-E-T-E-R. So you got two types, simple and compound. So meter is essentially how strong and weak beats are divided up. We could have duple, triple, or quadruple. In simple time, that would be 1/4 note gets the beat, 3/4 or 4/4. This would be simple duple, simple triple, simple quadruple. On the compound side, we think of land of the triplets. That's going to be threes, beats broken into 3 equal pieces with strong, weak, weak instead of strong, weak. So you take the top number and divide it by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So that's compound duple. That's the most common one on the AP exam. 9 divided by 3 is 3. That'd be triple, compound triple. 12 divided by 3 is 4, quadruple. So if you look at simple meter, 4/4 time, the longer ones represent the stronger beats. These are weak. Strong, weak, strong, weak, strong, weak, strong, weak. Or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and those are just bar lines there. Here it is cut into 4 pieces. And notice how this halfway point is here. That's the and. That's a little stronger than these quarters of a beat because it's the halfway point. And simple is all about breaking things in half. Like when you put a slicer through a pizza, you go all the way across to slice it each way. 2, then 4. Then you need 2 lines to get to the next one. So it'll be 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. That's the essence of simple meter. And now you see it here. Here's broken into 2, 1 and 2 and. Here it is broken into 4 equal pieces. And then on this page, you get the different hybrids of those where they come together. The first beat here, first half of a beat, but the second half of the beat was cut into 4s. So instead of being 1E and a, 1E are here, 1 and a, 1 and a. The dot is, of course, worth 3 things. 1E and there's the a. 1E, a 2, a 3, a 4. It's the subdivision. So those are all here. That's how simple works. And now let's look at compound a little bit. 6/8, which is what you're going to deal with on the AP exam a lot of, with sight singing and everything. It's going to be strong, weak, weak. Or you could take each of those after the first division. That's a compound division, splitting into triplets. We call it land of the triplet. You don't need to draw triplet symbols because you're in the triplets. So there's no reason to put a triplet sign. You would put a duple sign if you wanted a duple, which would be a simple meter inserted into a compound meter. So 1 and a 2 and or strong, weak, weak, strong, weak, weak, or and we don't even bother putting words to that. It would just be too complicated to think of. So the compound is breaking beats into 3s and 6s. The way I would write 6/8 as a composer, since it's really just the dotted quarter note gets the beat. So I would think of it as 2 dotted quarter notes. Each dotted quarter note is worth 3 eighth notes. So 2 times 3 would be 6 eighth notes. They're the same. Each of these 3 things is worth 1 dotted quarter note. So now let's look at our compound rhythm vocabulary. And there it is. There's your main beat. Each of these patterns is worth 1 beat. There it is. 1 and a, but it's all tied. 1. Here's 1 and a. 1 and a. 1 and a. Bum, 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 bum. There is each eighth note. Here they are. 1 and a. Here's where they broke into 6. 1 and a. Bop, 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 bop. So that's the essence of how compound and simple meters work. And those are the rhythms that are most commonly used on the AP exam. Hope that helps you guys understand rhythm a little bit better. See ya.